Welcome to the Department of Plant Pathology at the Holding Zakaria University Multan, where science meets sustainability. At the heart of agricultural innovation, our department is dedicated to diagnosing, managing, and preventing plant diseases that threaten food security challenges in Pakistan. The Department of Plant Pathology has 11 qualified faculty members having PhD from different universities of the world. We offer BSc Honours, MSc Honours, PhD degree in plant pathology. BID department has 6 well-equipped laboratories for hands-on working experience of the students enrolled in different degree programs. Our students are empowered through a blend of classroom learning, field experience, and hands-on lab work, building the next generation of plant doctors. From isolating destructive pathogens to exploring biological control through eco-friendly solutions, our research focuses on practical impact. We have the only plant disease clinic in the region that is a service and education function of the Department of Plant Pathology and provide plant disease diagnosis services to the farming community. Admissions are open in undergraduate and postgraduate degree programs.